Hi, thank you so much for checking out my profile. My name is Monir Hossain, and I am an enthusiast, self-motivated IT professional. I am a data visualization, web app development, and lead expert. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork with over 4K plus hours and 200 plus jobs. Client experience is my #1 priority, and that reflected in the numerous 5-star reviews on my profile. This is core to my work as a freelancer, and I take great pride in over-delivering. I have worked with a couple of high-profile organizations like Lumanity, IWS, Learn It Live, OptimizeRx, etc. I am here to help you in 3 broad categories: web application development, data visualization, Power BI, web research, lead generation, listings, web design, web application development. Throughout my journey in different local companies, I got the opportunity to work on every stage of SDLC. I have more than 8 years of experience in web development using different platforms and technologies. Data visualization, Power BI. Our eyes feel comfortable and decide faster using visualization rather than reading something. My skills: SQL, PLSQL, Power BI, SSRS, Crystal reporting, Telerik reporting, Web API, Excel, written and verbal communication skills, IELTS 7. My competencies: I have 2 years experience as BI developer, Power BI Service, Power BI Gateways, strong knowledge in Power Query, Power Pivot and Power View. Hands-on experience: MS SQL, Oracle, Azure SQL. Advanced SQL knowledge and excellent skill in writing complex DAX queries. Experienced in implementing row-level security. VA, web research, lead generation, listings. Web research service at your doorstep. You will get the best data sourcing from me. Keeping all the instructions in my mind regarding your data collection, I will collect the best matching, up-to-date contacts, error-free, unique data for you. Special service, B2B lead generation. Why hire me? You will get 100% verified emails, fast delivery, reasonable price, 5+ years experience. You will get e-commerce product listing services. Platform, Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, Etsy, Magento, Walmart, WooCommerce, Shopify, OpenCart. Product research tools, Jungle Scout, Helium 10. Conclusion: I would love to hear about your project, and most importantly, how I can help you. Contact me today so we can schedule a quick introduction call to ensure that I will be a great fit for you. You will get your desired result within minimal time and less cost. Let's grow together. Have a nice day.